the big reveal. I hope you're ready. Hey everybody, this is Design of the Times, a series celebrating Lowe's Home Improvement's 100th birthday. I'm your host and designer, Maurice Harris. I'm helping homeowners make over spaces from various decades, and today I'm working with Colleen and Joey. They've got a fantastic 1960s house that's ready for a little facelift.
Welcome to our 1966 mid-century modern ranch home. When you come up the street, it's got amazing curb appeal, but it's lacking something. The colors and some of the textures are just off.
It's a little drab. So a big part of mid-century modern architecture is being part of nature, and this house truly has that. We're super proud of it. We just need it to be less beige.
So our garage door is, it's about 1,500 pounds or so. It can't really lift it up. It's old wood. We don't put the car in there because you have to lift it up and then put it down every time. It's the first thing you see when you come into our driveway. And it's really the big part of the facade of our house. So we were hoping to have that have a little bit more energy and life.
So this is our cool little entryway. You don't see this everywhere. We have this amazing breezeway, but it's super underutilized. We have no furniture. It could be like our main entertaining space, honestly. It should be the focal point, and right now there's nothing there. So we need this updated.
We want the help to be able to bring it up to the level of that mid-century era.
So Maurice, please help us.
Yeah, we need help, a lot of it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hi, Maurice.
Good, how's it going, Maurice?
Coming up to your space, wow.
It has that true 60s, mid-century vibe.
The house is so close, and we just need a little help making it pop.
We just need your help with making it have that curb appeal that we want.
I think playing with color is going to be the way to go.
Yes.
Just figuring out how to incorporate the natural landscape and the seasons, really embracing the mid-century modern lines that we have is going to really make your space special. Who has breezeways anymore? Like, this is so cool. I love playing with indoor, outdoor. I love playing with plants, obviously. Lowe's has done such an amazing job with furniture options that go outdoors. So I think we're gonna be able to do something sexy and sophisticated for you. We need a little bit of time to make this magic happen. So I'm gonna ask you guys to pack your bags, and when you come back, you will have a brand new space.
We'll get out of here. You have free reign.
Mid-century modern, often referred to as MCM, broadly describes design from the middle of the century. The style is a mix of post-World War II with a clean aesthetic, applied in both architecture and furniture. Now in the 1960s, it was a lot of one-story homes with large glass windows and open space, just like Colleen and Joey's home. Mid-century modern design had a real renaissance back in the late 90s and remains one of the most popular design styles today. For Lowe's, the 1960s meant continued growth and customer offerings by embracing the big box trend at a time when home building and renovation was in high demand. All right, y'all, it's time to bring this house back to life and up to date. By the 1960s, many American homes expanded to have two-car garages, much like Colleen and Joey's house. And this original garage door is ready for an update. We're replacing it with a brand new black steel door with clean symmetrical windows on one side, very modern, and bringing it all the way into the modern day with an electric garage door opener. The biggest change by far will be the color, and we're taking our inspiration from, you guessed it, the Lowe Centennial paint palette. We're going dark to amp up the drama, both on the stucco and the trim, to give a cohesive feel with the new garage door. Since this home is in a cooler climate, the dark exterior works very well. Where you live should always be something you consider when choosing your home exterior color. This dark charcoal will really work great alongside the nature surrounding it. The entryway is also screaming to have its own dramatic moment. The door itself works well. We're just painting it a beautiful, rich, mustardy yellow for a punch of color. Then really leaning into mid-century modern design by adding stained wood slats and a vertical layout around the entire entryway. It's gonna look so different and yet so sophisticated. The patio area is completely unused, and it's such a great space. It doesn't need a lot of work at all. I've selected amazing outdoor furniture pieces indicative of the 60s, from the accent chair to couches to patterned rugs to planters, and all from Lowe's.com to create a style-forward space for the family to relax and hang out. The little touches always bring a space together. I'm adding new lighting, accessories, and of course, plants everywhere. Talk about curb appeal. It's time for the homeowners to see this new house exterior. I know they're gonna love it. This one's really good. The big reveal. I hope you're ready. In 3, 2, 1.
Wow. I was not
That's so
expecting
cool.
dark.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this color. What makes it so dynamic is that dark, rich black really helps it to blend into the landscape through all of the different seasons.
I can't wait to see the fall colors.
Yeah, we love this store. We love the windows. I mean, it's just something you don't see on every house, and it's incredible.
That garage door you guys had, oh my God. We really wanted to up the ante on this one. You have a beautiful, silent garage door opener with modern window slots in it, so it doesn't look like just a big black blob. We wanted it to have a sense of dimension.
Look at the wood on the entryway. That's so cool.
That
That's so
looks
cool.
awesome. And the door color.
Oh, yes, the yellow. I love
that
the yellow.
looks amazing.
Check out that front door.
It's amazing. Yeah, oh, the yellow is awesome. I love that.
Yeah.
And the black trim, too.
I can't believe this is the same place.
Yeah, it's amazing.
We finally have a space
Oh
to
my
like,
God, like, yeah,
entertain outside. This
a
is
dining
amazing.
space. Yeah, this is so cool. These chairs are awesome.
Yeah. It's just a completely different space.
I know,
it's amazing.
we can come out here and hang out now.
Get into that
Yeah,
furniture,
sit in the chair.
right?
Sit in that chair. Yeah. Oh my God, this is
This is
amazing.
gonna
So how exciting is this?
Oh my God, yeah.
It's amazing.
Here's the thing that's so amazing about this furniture. It's outdoor furniture.
Incredible.
We really went with trying to stay with those low, clean lines of the mid-century modern aesthetic, but making sure that it was weatherproof and able to sustain the weather that you're gonna have throughout the year.
I mean, it basically transforms the interior into the exterior. So you added square footage to our home basically by doing this.
Oh, I'm so glad you guys like it. This makes me so happy.
We love it.
Like I said, we never, ever could have done this by ourselves. We never would have made these decisions and like.
Well, that's why we're here, to help you out, to make sure that you're living your best life.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. This is incredible.
It is.
I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Design of the Times. I'll be back real soon with another fabulous makeover. Until then, use the link below to check out all the incredible paint colors that are part of the Lowe Centennial Paint Palette. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned in to all the amazing things that we've got going on.